Hello, tennis lovers. This is Virendra Dear channel, and in this video, I want to share with you my experience, my association, and my pleasure, happiness, joy to be with one of the great legendary tennis lovers from India. He is Honorable, Respectable Manaratna Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy. His house, as you know, is in Banjara Hill Road number 1, JVK House. He has a tennis court in his own house, and he invites people who are really deserving with his background, calm, serene, peace-loving, and sports lovers. He is a person who has spent so much of money on tennis. He was the great man who really organized, sponsored, facilitated WTA tournaments. All the great players from different parts of the world participated. In Taj Krishna, all were there, and we have the pleasure to see them live. We also have the opportunity to go to our stadium there, where we could see even Martina Navratilova, Mary Pierce, and so many great tennis players whom we do not know personally. He facilitated the opportunity where Sania Mirza, for the first time in her life, won WTA single tournament. And not only that, he is just sponsoring veteran tournament every year. This year is going to be 25th year, and it is going to be celebrated again in that our stadium, LB Stadium. Beloved friends, his love and affection is not only confined to tennis, but to every tennis player. Of course, he loves beyond human being, birds, fish, animals, and plants, and he has introduced 1962 Mobile Veterinary Clinic to really prove the world that we care for the earth, and birds, fish, animals, plants, and humans have to live together. In this video, I want to show you how great he is, how noble he is, how much he loves tennis. Now, veteran tournament. People who are older but love tennis, they will be assembling on 8th of this December, 4 p.m. he is going to inaugurate, and 12th, 4 p.m. the champion will be honored by him. Dear friends, here is a great man. Man who is an inspiration for every one of us. And here, as I have said you, the invitation to every tennis lover has been sent. Senior Tennis Player Association, All India Senior Tennis Association, and this will be on 8th inauguration by our beloved chairman Manav Ratna Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy, and the conclusion ceremony is going to be on 12 December, 11 a.m. Beloved friends, I am very fortunate that I have been blessed by him. In my lifetime, I have never seen such a great man, because I have very limited access to the people. I met Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, and next I met great man, my guru and guide, Dr. J.V. Krishna Reddy. He is living legend of kindness, compassion, love and affection. The way he cared for me and loved me, I cannot pay the debt in my whole life. And I'm just one. There are so many people who have been loved and cared by him. The legendary Sania Mirza, who won some doubles, women's, mixed doubles, she is the child of this GBK Group of Industries blessings. When they approached Honorable J.V. Krishna Reddy, he was very kind and compassionate to sponsor her, and followed by so many great tennis players, he has been spending a lot of money. But Till now, nobody has been so famous as Sania Mirza, but his love and affection is always there for every tennis lovers. Honorable Chairman of GVK Group of Industries, Manaratna Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, we are honored and blessed that we are in your time, in the same time when you are there, and we are enjoying all these kind of affection and love. Tennis is our heartbeat. We all love tennis, and you love tennis more than anybody else. Of course, you have been initially a volleyball player, and later on you switch on to tennis. You were playing in different clubs of Hyderabad. You have the honor to be working in America for 18 years, Honorable Sir. But you love your motherland, you came back to India, and then instead of going to different clubs, you started your own GVK club of tennis in your own house. And I have been there for decades. Long live the spirit, our beloved leader, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy, sir. Nobody can love human being as you do. Everyone is given, time to time, some noble gifts. This gift I am fortunate to receive today. This is our tennis t-shirts. Every occasion when he is abroad, he will bring bundles of t-shirts, shorts, socks, and he will distribute with lot of affection and love and warmth to every member of his GPK Group of Tennis House. We are overwhelmed, Honorable Sir. We feel very much proud of you. Thank you so much. Long live the spirit and the legendary Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. The living legend, the world of tennis in India feel proud of you. Thank you, sir.